help me welcome to stage Exos CEO Dakota Semper.
Imagine a world filled with clear skies, cities and towns where kids can play next to truck stops, where energy is clean, and where anything you desire is just hours from being delivered. This world is the world we are creating at Exos today. 6 years ago, we set out to solve a problem, the largest problem facing humanity. How do we sustainably move things without hurting the world that we live in? It wasn't just about building a better fleet vehicle, but about creating a better way to move things into the future. In the first phase of the business, we built the fleet of the future. We built electric commercial vehicles that go farther, last longer, and cost less for all types of fleets. We addressed the problems of last-mile delivery by creating zero-emissions delivery vehicles for our neighborhoods, our cities, and the places we live. We started by building the Swiss Army knife of fleets. The Exos X platform is now operating in fleets across North America, delivering packages, food, and other valuables. Tonight, we're going to share with you what Exos has been working on since 2016. It marks the successful completion of the first phase of Exos' journey, where our mission was to build durable, reliable, and cost-effective fleet vehicles. But before we dive into the new products, we want to give you a glimpse into the second phase of our journey, where Exos helps fleets plan, monitor, and operate fleets of the future, where Exos provides the tools to drivers, fleet operators, and service providers to more intelligently manage our goods movement infrastructure. Everything we display tonight is genuine and functional. There's not a single render or mock-up anywhere at this event. We don't believe in making false promises or providing maybes. Exos always has been and always will be focused on delivering real products that drive fleet success today.
I'm excited to reveal an innovative new product that will accelerate the transition to electric vehicles, the Exosphere. The Exosphere is a modern and intuitive fleet management platform, and it's enabled by our proprietary vehicle hardware. These powerful solutions work together to minimize the total cost of ownership for electric fleets. This ultimately makes Exos trucks unlike any other commercial vehicles on the market today. I can't wait to show you the Exosphere, but before we dive in, let's take a moment to put ourselves in the shoes of the fleet operator. Imagine you own a fleet of about 50 vehicles. Every day, these vehicles have an important job to do. If just one of them doesn't perform, you're at risk of missing your targets. And as your business grows, your assets must operate more effectively to keep pace with commercial demands. On top of this, as you transition to electric vehicles, you're faced with new questions. How can I maximize range and maintain battery health? Where can I get service? And how often will I need to charge? It's our mission at Exos to facilitate a seamless transition to a greener future by providing products that answer these kinds of questions. Together, these create an integrated ecosystem for your electric vehicles. By combining our cutting-edge connected vehicle architecture, best-in-class design, and direct feedback from fleet owners, we built a powerful solution that's connected, intelligent, intuitive, and seamless. With that, I couldn't be more excited to show you the Exosphere. Connectivity, powered by our proprietary Exos vehicle architecture, allows Exosphere to deliver real-time visibility into your fleet. Let me show you how I can use the Exosphere to manage my fleet. Through this simple and customizable interface, I can easily access data that helps me answer questions on my mind. These days, an asset is only as useful as it is intelligent. Over-the-air updates at the click of a button, remote diagnostics, and recommendations to maintain asset health will ensure downtime is minimized. As an example, I can track my recommended maintenance intervals. Meeting these intervals is so important The Exosphere will remind me if I forget to schedule that preventative maintenance. It's also the tool through which I can receive an industry-leading service experience. I can request service, track the status and history of tickets, and quickly connect with the Exos support team. We've designed the Exosphere to be ridiculously intuitive. You shouldn't need a background in computer science to access powerful insights for your own fleet's data. Here, you're able to easily access information about your fleet. And this allows you to understand performance from many lenses, including total cost of ownership and environmental impact. Last but not least, Exosphere fits seamlessly into your electric fleet operation. The Exosphere integrates both vehicles and chargers into one single application. No more switching between multiple platforms. Here, I can see my charger dashboard. I can perform actions on the chargers, like remotely starting and stopping them. I can also set charging schedules. By integrating with my utility policy, the Exosphere is able to make recommendations that can minimize my energy costs by an estimated 20 to 50%. And that's just scratching the surface of the Exosphere. It's a fleet management software purpose-built to minimize the total cost of ownership of your fleet. There's so much more to see in this product, but we have even more exciting news to share with you tonight.
Thanks, Gio. 4 years ago, we delivered the first vehicle built on the X platform. Those vehicles still operating today mark the beginning of a zero-emissions revolution in commercial vehicles. Fleets such as Amazon, FedEx, Loomis, UniFirst, and many others started the transition to a zero-emissions future on the X platform. Today, we take it even further with the introduction of the Exos Hd-Xt. The Exos Hd-Xt is our powerful new medium-duty electric chassis cab, purpose-built for Class 6 or 7 fleet applications. This medium-duty truck drives both downhill and uphill. It travels further to reach more fleets' range requirements with up to 270 miles on a single charge. And we're pleased to launch the Hd-Xt with our launch customer, Republic National Distributing Company, a leading beverage distribution company who you'll hear from shortly. Now, I'd like to bring out Scott Zion, our head of engineering at Exos, who will do a deep technical dive on the Hd-Xt.
With the Hd-Xt, we sought to build a robust vehicle with an improved level of durability, reliability, and power when compared to our flagship step van that our customers currently know and love. Like the step van, the Hd-Xt features a modular chassis and battery system that can fit virtually any commercial fleet's needs. So let's go over a few of the features of the Hd-Xt. As Dakota mentioned, the Hd-Xt offers up to 270 miles range on a single charge. The gross vehicle weight rating of this platform is 23,000 pounds up to 33,000 pounds, so it firmly fits within Class 6 and Class 7. The Hd-Xt's cab and chassis is ideally suited for a variety of body configurations, not limited to just box trucks, refrigerated trucks, as well as flatbeds. And the vehicle's powertrain also offers a stunning 16,000 foot-pounds of torque. Regarding the interior of the vehicle, the MD-XT features a 15-inch configurable center display, where all the controls will be centralized, including maps, battery life, access to the Exos platform. The in-cab display is completely customizable to meet customer-specific needs and user profiles. It offers real-time vehicle monitoring as well as the telematics aspect of it. And what about the driver experience? In addition to having an extremely clear visibility, the MD-XT offers a very smooth and quiet ride, contributing to reducing the fatigue of our drivers. This in turn allows drivers to be better aware of their surroundings and help to improve the safety of their operation. Drivers of the MD-XT will initially be impressed with the increased performance of the vehicle over their diesel counterparts. But they will quickly learn that these vehicles are much easier to drive, where we also have regenerative braking settings that can be set to allow for one-pedal operation. So in summary, with the increased weight, capacity, and body configurations, we strongly feel that the MD-XT is the most advanced Class 6 vehicle on the market today.
We're thrilled to bring the industry leading medium-duty vehicles to market and offer our customers pure power and efficiency, all while delivering the most competitive total cost of ownership in the industry. But at Exos, we can't just settle for fixing just the medium-duty fleet challenge. We're focused on providing services to help medium and heavy-duty fleets transition to a zero-emissions future. There are commercial applications ripe for electrification that require even more power. So we designed, developed, engineered, and brought to life the newest and most powerful addition to the Exos vehicle family, a heavy-duty vehicle designed for regional haul applications that packs a truly powerful punch. Introducing the Exos Hd-Xt. The heavy-duty Exos truck is a Class 8 heavy-duty electric tractor designed for regional haul fleet applications. Compared to its diesel counterparts, the Hd-Xt offers increased weight parity, greater horsepower, and decreased TCO, making it the most cost-efficient and sustainable heavy-duty commercial vehicle option on the road today.
There's three numbers that I think are really key for our success, three numbers. The big numbers, I'm going to go over them a couple of times. The first one is 798, the second one is 36,583, and the third one is 82,000. I'm going to go over that last number first because that's the big one here. 82,000 pounds, that is the gross vehicle weight rating of Hd-Xt. That's 2,000 pounds more than a comparable diesel tractor. Why? Because it's an electric vehicle. That payload equals 56,000 pounds of revenuable carrying capacity for our customers. Now, to haul all of this weight, we've designed Hd-Xt from the ground up with Allison e-axles and Exos proprietary batteries. The Hd-Xt offers 798 horsepower. It offers an absolutely massive 36,583 foot-pounds of torque. And because none of that does you any good if you can't get out of the depot, we've engineered it with 230 miles of range. Thank you. Now, big numbers and lots of power are lots of fun. But engineering a great truck isn't just about big numbers. Details matter. In that light, we have engineered wheelbases as short as 176 inches and steering angles as high as 55 degrees. What does that mean? That means we've ensured maximum maneuverability, super tight turning radiuses to allow Hd-Xt to perform optimally in the tight urban environments it needs to go into. Like MDXT, Hd-Xt is also designed around our 15-inch configurable center display. This is where we've centralized all the driver controls to make it easy for them to access. But there's one more thing there that's really important. This is also where we incorporate all of our real-time data management and all of our vehicle telematics software, which eases the burden on the fleet and service manager because then they're able to see, again, real-time, what their truck is doing and where it is at any moment of the day or night via the Exosphere. As you can see, we've engineered Hd-Xt to be bigger, better, bolder than any Class 8 tractor available. It just happens to be electric.
Now that Exos has led the industry in providing zero-emissions fleet vehicles in the first phase of our business, we're frequently asked, what is next for Exos? The next phase is helping fleets scale zero-emissions vehicles across their entire operations. From our Exosphere fleet management platform to the Exos Hub, we've already started to pave the way for the future that we envision. Thank you so much to Mark and John, to everyone joining us tonight in California, and to those watching from all around the world. We'd like to thank our customers like RNDC, McLean, FedEx, UniFirst, and so many others that have supported us. Those fleets are truly reshaping the transportation industry. We also wanted to thank our investors for supporting Exos' mission and our strategic partners, such as Allison Transmissions, which has an incredible display in the front of the event, Thermo King, which you can see their new E1000 zero-emissions TRU unit on our Exos Hub outside, Fitzgerald, helping us manufacture vehicles, and Metalsa, also helping us in manufacturing and supply chain of vehicles. And lastly, we want to conclude by thanking the Exos team. Every day, our team executes on one of the most visionary plans to build the fleet of the future. Thank you for everything you do each and every day to make the world a better place to live in with a more sustainable fleet. You are the competitive advantage that is building the fleet of the future. Now, I invite you to check out the vehicles, sign up for a ride and drive at our facility and our headquarters in Los Angeles, place your orders before leaving, enjoy a night of entertainment and food. Thank you all.
And these are live bags. This is actually a functional truck that can drive right now. One module here, second right there, third, and there's a fourth in the front under the cabin. In the following video, we'll talk with Chief Technology Officer Rob Ferber about batteries. We'll debate what is the best chemistry available today on the market and for what application, why XOS team chose 21700 cells, and so much more about batteries, safety, cell fusing, individual cell fusing, BMS, temperatures, extreme conditions, how to make the battery not lose capacity even in super cold conditions and extend their life. I had the privilege to visit their headquarters in LA and see how XOS builds their battery packs and the technology behind it. Guys, these battery packs are, I think, the most advanced system available today. The double fuse system on the same side of the cells and a lot of extra super cool safety features that no one else is using in their battery packs, which is a big thing, and these battery packs will last over 15 years of life service. Super cool stuff that no one talks about, and probably not many e-cars or e-trucks even design the battery to be able to perform or withstand various scenarios that you deal on daily basis or potentially can happen in specific scenarios. Guys, super advanced stuff that even Tesla does not have. I learned a lot from meeting and talking with Rob, and if you're interested in learning about batteries and EVs, trucking, then that video is for you. Guys, I hope you liked this event and this video, and if you did, please make sure you share and you hit that like button. It helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching. More cool stuff coming, and I'll see you next time.